Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
You want to get pictures of this?
Yes, sir. Could you tell me your name real quick and what you got?
No, I'm gonna do a video with him real quick. Okay. Tyler, we got 4 X8 V3s, Tarium Smart 3K. Got a Group 41 or Group 34, excuse me, from Sam's Club in the back. Cool. I got a Tarium 400 on 2 PRB Neo 6.5s. There's no tweeters, just a 6.5 in each door. 320 amp alternator, J's, and then just the front battery.
Nice. So what made you go with this smallest sub? Just curious.
I kind of got out of audio for like a year with my Tahoe, and I got this as a daily, and I just needed something as a daily driver. And for this cabin to not completely fall apart, I wanted it to be right at about 150 on tone, and it's about a 150, 151 Outlaw. So.
Awesome. Okay. Sweet.
So we ain't really never had no old money. Robert. We got a whole lot of new money though. Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking, no hot bar. Shit, I don't know what they call it, trigger, they banging, they coming. You know, so we ain't really never had no old money. Robert. We got a whole lot of new money though. Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking, no hot bar. Cooking, shit, know, so we ain't really never had no old money. Robert. We got a whole lot of new money though.
Man, dude, yeah, dude. That's actually really impressive.
Yeah, dude, I had to put so much deadener in this truck because I did 3/8 and I had BFL 8s that I had sitting in my house forever.
Yeah.
And then I was like, that's not enough, so I did 3X8s and I was like, I need one more. Oh, shout out to Adam Romano.
Okay.
He always builds my boxes the last like 7-8 years. I get the Terramps dealer. He's the shit. You need a box built, Adam Romano is your man.
Yes, sir.
And you see, he builds beautiful boxes.
It looks really good.
Yeah.
Thank you, man.
Yeah,
Nice
no
to meet
problem.
you.
Nice to meet you too.
That was impressive.
Yeah.
Awesome. Congrats on the 52. Right on it.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.